Unboxing me, guys. Let's talk about everything Onyi and see what we have inside this box. This big box. Well, she was on sales and I said patronize her. And let's see what's inside. So the first on the list is this bag. So this is a trusty bag that I got from her. I can already open. So the next thing on mine, oh my god, this is an acrylic mirror that I got from her too. So I saw this mirror and I was like, this mirror is going to be so beautiful in my bathroom, and I just picked it. The second thing I got from her. So this is the third thing. Yeah, this is another thing I got from her. I just wish I can just hang it somewhere immediately, but no. So this is like the last set of things I got from her. Yeah, this is like the last set of things I got from her. My jewelry box, my mini card, oh my gosh, okay. Guys, I just saw something right now and I'm so happy because I know I didn't buy this thing. I didn't pick it. And it's inside it. And she told me she was going to gift me. She was going to gift me. Oh my god, this is beautiful. Unbox what's inside it. Like, open everything out. The ones I'm eager. I want to see what's inside those things. So let's open them up. So first on the list we're going to open up today is this wall anchor. Let's see how it looks. Let's see how it looks. Sorry. So this is how it is. You just hang it. You can use they use this. You stick this on the wall and you play anything. Yeah. This for this. My god, it's so beautiful. So the next thing on our list is this tabletop mirror. I'm also eager to open it, so don't mind me. Just hope I can fix this up because it's not fixed at all. Oh, I think it's easy. I was thinking it would be so difficult to put together, but it's really easy, guys. So this is this for this. I already know what's this now. This is a mirror. You're already seeing it. The next thing is mountain. Oh my god. This is beautiful. It even comes with a longer handle. Wow. Trust me. It's the pockets on me, let me know that. I have two lovely pockets. It has another one inside. Oh my god, the bag is beautiful. It's big. This will contain literally everything I can carry to work every day and more. This is beautiful. I think I'm even falling in love with the color. Wow, this is beautiful. All right. And lastly, we're unpacking everything here and seeing what's inside. So I know I ordered for this just of it, because when it comes to jewelry, if you notice I'm not putting on, when it comes to jewelry, I kind of misplace them a lot. I'm not careful with it. The way I keep them, I don't know what happened, but it just gets tangled and I just dump it after maybe 1 or 2 tries. So that's why I got this. It's very small actually. I was thinking it's bigger than this, like something bigger. But it's beautiful. It has space for literally everything. Just fix your stuff like good to go. So that's for that. So the second on our list new I got was this. I'm scared I cannot fix it back. Maybe as small as this. Just a waste bag for my dirty clothes. I cannot. I'm scared. I'm scared I can't fix this thing back to it is. So just please let me not go and buy trouble. I'm not ready to start using it now. So this is it. I bought it for my dirty clothes, to put my dirty clothes and all. So it's called the laundry bag, I think. It's beautiful. I also got this mini carts, maybe skincare products. Oh my god, this is to fix. It's easy to put together. So I got this for some of my products, maybe skincare. I don't know, maybe anything, but I know it's going to be useful. Trust me. It's gonna be useful. And lastly, my gift from her. Oh, I remember I got something else. Yeah, this. I got this key holder from her too. The gift. Guys, I'm so happy. This is beautiful. I hate this. Must I go through this every time? I don't even know where to start from. It's all over the place. Let me use that direction. Okay. I'm fucked. Okay. I think I'm actually good at this, and I'm just scared for nothing. Yeah, you heard me. Good. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed unboxing these beauties with me, the way I enjoyed unboxing them. Thank you for watching. If you love this video and you want to see more of this, please like and subscribe.